So we're here in Dubai, in Geberit's headquarters, and behind us we see Sobha Heartland, where we were able to supply our very first HDP single-stack SuperTube solution.
It all starts from one man's vision to be the best in whatever he does. He wants to be the best in quality standards, the best in innovation, the best in technology.
The project is special to us because it took us a long time to get the next single-stack HDP project approved by Dubai municipality.
After this push with the local authorities, now the other mission started, that to find the first customer in UAE, to work with them to get the first projects approved from local authorities.
Now here we have come across Geberit, who has supported us in terms of finding a solution for combining all three pipes into one, which is the single stack system.
So we had some challenges with local authority, the Dubai municipality, convincing them that the system was appropriate and the engineering was correct.
So we invited them to the site, they saw it themselves, they got convinced, and they took the condition out and they gave us the unconditional approval later.
Seeing is believing, so we have actually developed a technical museum where we cut back into the different layers of construction.
So one thing what everybody was asking, including the authorities, are you going for a cheap solution? So we said, no, it's not cheap.
You know, these risers, and you end up with these nasty, ugly breaks in the kitchen, which we've managed to engineer our way around because of the benefit of the single stack system.
It is an engineered solution where, as an organization, we are backward integrated. We have got everything in-house.
We're putting in technology that works, that's better, more efficient, that we don't have long-term maintenance issues.
So with a single stack system, the number of pipes are less. The maintenance is less. The space is less.
It's ultimately the customer who benefits, because the less vertical risers, the more space.
We are helping the development team in space, the contracting team in ease of installation, and the facility management team in the ease of maintenance. So it is a life cycle approach. So they gave us the confidence and they gave the engineering justification, the clarification, how the system would work, how the air column will be intact with the annular movement, and still complying with the EN 12056 standards as required by the local regulations. So it was proven, it was tested practically, we've seen it, and then we just got convinced.
We are extremely happy to have brought in this technology first time into Dubai and implemented in our projects. We took it as a pilot project in one of our project called Creek Pizza, but then we've taken it up to all the projects.
Our mission is no shortcut to quality.
You start with Sobha and you leave with Sobha.
We want to take it to the next level. That's where we need innovation. We need continuous improvement. That's where partners like Geberit matters to us.